to a restaurant that was like close to our villa. So we ended up at Tiger. Here's Father. Say hello.
Peace, peace.
And we're starting off with miso soup. I got some iced green tea, and I don't know about Daddy-O because I wasn't paying attention, but I know I ordered quite a bit of food. So here's one of the courses that I ordered, which is snapper sashimi.
Yes, thank you.
Ooh, Father is fancy. Getting a drinkity drink. Mmm.
This is a metal straw.
Yeah.
Wow. Real good.
Okay. This is good as well.
It's spicy.
It's spicy? This is spicy? Mmm. That is good. My sushi roll is here. And it looks delicious. Oh, I need to prepare my soy sauce first. Let's give this a shot. Very good. Got another dish delivered to the table. I forgot how to pronounce this. Gyoza. I know it's chicken something. Good morning, you guys. Today, Dad and I, hi. Today, Dad and I are going surfing. Say hi. So, here's the beach. Daddy-O is right behind me, and I'm trying to find the surf school. We made it. I was worried, you know. A little worried, but we made it. So excited. Hey! So we should be getting started in like 5 minutes or so. We just finished surfing. Can you believe we came to Bali, Indonesia and surfed? Dad. How'd you do?
I'm gonna record you. I did. I think I did very well. I give myself an A for effort.
Yes.
And an honest grade for my performance, I give myself a C.
A C?
A C.
I give you a B plus.
A B plus?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You stood up for a while.
I did. I think out of the 5 or 6 times I actually took a wave, I stood up. Most of them.
Yeah.
4.
Yeah.
Out of the 6. It's more difficult than it looks.
Yeah.
And those currents are pretty strong. You gotta have some strength to navigate that board. It's heavy.
Yeah.
Those waves are powerful.
Yeah.
But I enjoyed it. It was very fun. And thank you.
My pleasure. That was like fun. I would definitely do this again. Like my dad said, the currents were just getting a little strong. So it was feeling like, okay, it's time to kind of move it along, just because if you got, well, I'll show you. if you guys look, we were basically, the waves are split into 3, so it's like the first and then the second and then the third back there. Those are the ones that are getting like stronger and stronger. So we were riding like the second waves, so you kind of feel the effects of all the different like waves coming in, but that was fun. Hey guys, Dad and I found this restaurant and it's right on the beach, so we're just eating in front of the beach. This is Dad's food. This is my food. It looks absolutely delicious. And don't mind my voice, I hit myself in the throat with the surfboard. I'll be okay though. It didn't really hurt all that bad, but my voice is just really scratchy right now. Again, I'll be okay, not too worried. And y'all, this is the king of eating off of plates. I know y'all fuss at me in the comments like, why do you put your fork in other people's plates? Because this is who I learned it from. Sharing is caring, that's our philosophy. Look. Sharing is caring, that's our philosophy. I get something that he would like to try, so he can try it. He gets something that I would like to try, so I can try it.
It's very interesting.
So yeah, y'all, this is good. Hi guys, so Dad and I are at BLUEFIN. The same.
Oh, it's the same.
And then this is sushi. Yeah, I saw that online. They have other kinds of fried rice too that's like, looks really good. Y'all look at this menu. I'm in sushi heaven. And they have hibachi as well. I got some water and some hot green tea for my voice. Miso soup. Dad has miso soup as well, and hot green tea, and a salad, which looks super good.
It looks really good, but I need a fork.
Oh yeah. He just has chopsticks. And then here's the view. Already connected. Oh, thank you so much. And I just got the Wi-Fi. So what my photographer was telling me was that there are areas in Bali that are like districts kind of. So this is like the seafood district. So you're gonna see a lot of seafood.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking to them.
No. Well.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. So you're gonna see like a lot of seafood in this district. That's why there are like more sushi places and just like literal seafood restaurants. I saw a lot coming in this way. So I got sushi and Dad got hibachi. But I also got soup and tea because I'm not sick, but my voice is still like really croaky from...
Because I chopped her in the throat.
Yeah, he did.
With a surfboard. I don't feel so bad now. No, it's not easy. Did you get it? You got it? All right.
I know y'all say all the time, how do you eat so much and stay so small? I don't eat a lot. I take like 5 bites of everything I eat and I'm full, like stuffed. So this is just the vegetables. This is the sushi roll that I ordered. I ate 2 pieces of this one, 1 piece of this, vegetables, and my soup. And then we have prawns and squid and chicken over here. I'm stuffed. When it comes to eating, I think I've always been this way though. When I was a teenager, my dad would be like, order off the kids menu. Like, you're not gonna eat all that. Just when we go places, yeah, you're 17, but order off the kids menu. Just because I really don't eat that much. Like, I take a few bites of like everything and then I'm done. So there are times when I really wish I ate more, and now is one of those times because the food is really good. I'm just really full.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ashley.
Thank you. So Dad set it up for me to get dessert for my birthday. And just so you guys know, my birthday is Monday, April 15th, not 14th. I know it can get kind of confusing, but we're just eating today and celebrating today because we're going to be on an excursion all day tomorrow. But yeah, my birthday is technically tomorrow. Yeah, technically tomorrow.
No, your birthday, American time is Tuesday.
No, if you look at the clock, the world's clock. Hold on, y'all.
It's Sunday morning in America.
Yeah, so my birthday's
So
tomorrow
it's
in America.
Tomorrow and Tuesday.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, okay.
Today.
America, it would be, your birthday would be partly on
Tomorrow.
Monday and partly on Tuesday.
Oh, yeah. Wait. It would like start. Thank you so much. It would like start on Monday and like end on Tuesday.
End on Tuesday.
But here it's like technically
Here it'd be Monday.
Thank you.
You're the best.
Good morning, you guys. Say good morning, Father.
Good morning.
So we are on technically like a private tour. We're gonna go to beach, temples, the waterfall, Bali swing. I took my energy pills this morning just so I could be like awake and alert. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm a little worried about some rain in the forecast, but hopefully we have a clear day. We have umbrellas if not, but I'm about to eat my sausage McMuffin and my hash brown. And I will check in with you guys when we get to the first place, but I think we have a pretty long car ride, so yeah, check in with you guys shortly. Okay guys, we are at Pantai Kalidasa Beach. Wow. Here is our first spot, the beach behind me. We're just taking, well, I'm just taking some pictures. Our tour guides have split up so that both Dad and I have our own like personal photographers, which is lit. Say hi to them.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Nyoman. I'm from Bali. I'm tour guiding in Bali.
Yes.
I have 7-year experience on the tour in Bali. So anybody want to Bali, just contact me and contact Ashley to follow our driver and
Yes.
our experience in Bali.
Yeah, I'll put his information on the screen and in the description box down below. He is our private tour guide along with his brother, and his brother and my dad are actually down there. They're just like great at taking pictures and just showing us everything Bali has to offer. Sorry, I have a hair in my mouth. There we go. So yeah, I have my pictures. I'm so excited because they look so freaking good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These pictures look so bomb. So I'm actually getting hot, so I'm about to get back in the car. Hopefully we can get the car turned on and I can get some AC until we get to the next spot. But I think the next spot is the temple. Another couple of temples, and then maybe lunch, and then the waterfall, and then Bali swing. I think that's the order. Hi guys, we are here. I have on my sarong. Are we walking to the temple?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe 5 minutes.
Okay. So we have a 5-minute walk up this hill. So you guys can see. We're making a boomerang.
Oh, you know what we're doing?
That's what they're doing.
Oh.
This walk is a killer.
Is that an iPhone function?
It's an Instagram function.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ooh, y'all, look, a chicken. Okay guys, so we made it to the gates of heaven. Here they are, right over there. Right over there. But here is the line. Goes all the way up there. So our tour guides are girls sweat. Our tour guides are predicting that it might be like an hour wait or so. Not trying to be, you know, a party pooper, but to do this, all this moving around, and it's hot and it's humid, and it's just a lot of car riding, a lot of walking, a lot. to do this on my actual birthday was not smart. I should have done this another day, maybe like on snorkeling, or done something that wasn't as physically demanding and as draining and long, because I already can feel I'm not about to really enjoy the day, but I am going to enjoy the pictures. So it's kind of just like the calculated risk. I didn't factor in the fact that this wouldn't be necessarily an enjoyable experience as much as the pictures would really, you know, pop on the gram. So yeah, I'm sacrificing my day to have pictures that last a lifetime. There are the gates of heaven, but again, this is the line and we were back there. So now we have one of our tour guides holding our place in line, and then we're gonna be taking pictures over here. So you can walk up these stairs, and I think on the other side too, but not right here. Looks like people are like up there at the top too. Okay guys, when I first checked in, we were like all the way back there, and now we're up here. All the vlogs I've seen have not shown just how long this line can be. Like my feet hurt, my back hurt. The pictures are going to be really, really beautiful, but just wanted to show you how long this process really takes. I'm not sure when we got here. I want to say it was around 9. And it's about to be 11, so about 2 hours. But the good thing is when you get up to the gates of heaven, you can do pretty much as many poses as you want. You just have to move kind of fast, and they can add a mirror underneath the camera that they're taking the picture with, so it looks like there's a reflection underneath you. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I already know what poses I'm gonna do too. Okay guys, I got my pictures. They look pretty cool, but it started raining. It's still early. It's like 11:30, but this has definitely been a day, and I'm having a wardrobe malfunction. Pretty little thing really dropped the ball with this dress. Okay guys, we are headed to, is this the water temple we're going to? No, thank you.
Water Palace Temple.
Oh, okay. Water Palace Temple. I believe it's up here. Wow. Sir? Ooh, gelato. Me too. Look at the fishies.
Oh wow, look at these fish.
Hey, now we're leaving the water temple. We got a couple of really good pictures. It's a bit crowded and we were walking on the stones, like on the water, and the water is kind of deep, so if you were to misstep and like fall into the water, you would fall in. And
have you seen anyone fall in the water?
Yeah.
oh yeah. Yeah, no, I did not want to fall in that water, so we got our pictures and we got out. I'm trying to convince Dad to take a picture with these animals. Oh, just a second. We're gonna get some food. Dad wants a snack. A snack is fine, guys. Now we're going to the waterfall and the BALI swing, which those are the two things that I'm really excited about. Especially that swing, because you're practically like swimming into the jungle, the forest. I mean, guys, we made it to the area in which the waterfall is. I don't know where it is, but it's somewhere around here, and I'm hoping the swing is close. Here's Daddy-O taking up the scenery, soaking up the the view. And y'all look at just how beautiful this is. Wow. Our tour guide's over here parking, and oh, it's this way? Okay guys, we have our tickets. Waterfall. I'm sure you can hear it in the back. We're gonna walk over that way though. Let me step around a little bit so you can see what I see. I'm scared.
You can't make it?
I think I'm gonna slip. I wanna go the other way.
You gonna go the other way?
Yeah.
I think you can make it. Here, let me help you.
Oof. Oof. Oh, how do I get down? I'm just gonna jump. Oof. Oh. I'm gonna keep it a buck, y'all. This is beautiful, but it ain't fun. Not even a little bit. But it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's raining.
Can I open this one?
Yeah, please. We made it.
You were going to get underneath that anyhow, were you?
No!
No, I don't think so.
Heavens, no! Y'all, look! We made it to the waterfall. In this, I walked here in a pretty little thing outfit. Okay, y'all, we're done. Now we gotta climb up these stairs. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's worse. Going up or coming down. Oh, I gotta go, y'all. Y'all, look how beautiful everything is. The water sounds so majestic. Wow. To what? No! No way. Dad talking about he dares me. Uh-oh. Here we go, y'all. And there's so many more. I'll tell you the good thing about these stairs, y'all. They're just squats. That's all. They're just squats. Walking down them, I felt like I was gonna slip and break my body. Walking up them, I feel like I'm at the gym at Sandra's Fit and Brandy is kicking my freaking butt. Brandy would be so proud. I hope she watches this vlog. Come on, Dad, you got this. There you go.
All right.
Who went to Quantico? You did.
All right. Yeah, it got me a little winded, I must admit.
Same. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Okay. You're okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I ran cross country and you went to FBI Academy. Like, we're good.
Yeah.
You work out all the time.
Yeah.
Super healthy.
I hate to see what I look like if I didn't.
Well, you don't have to worry about that. Now do you? Yeah, clap for yourself, Dad. You clap for yourself.
I am.
Cheer yourself on.
I am.
Who's strong?
I'm strong.
Texas strong.
I'm strong too. I'm
Texas
strong.
strong.
Wisconsin strong.
Texas strong.
Yeah.
You said it right the
I'm
first
strong
time.
one.
Made it to the Bali swing. It's not raining as of yet, or right now. Fingers crossed. It's not going to rain. I'm going to swing, and then we're probably gonna grab lunch, and then we'll be done with the excursion for today, and we'll go back to our villa so I can get some work done and get packing and stuff. But let me turn you guys around so you can see what I see.
Okay, no problem. Okay. You ready? One, go! Masih banyak nanti apa?
I want to swing. Yeah.
You ready? Yeah. One, hold on. 2, 3. Let's go. Still lie down your body. Yeah.
Hey guys, I just got off of the Bali swing. That was so much fun. So I got some great vlog footage. I have pictures. Are they a little blurry? Yes. Am I still gonna post them? Yes, because Dad did his best. And I'm not majoring in the minors. I got pictures.
I take full responsibility.
No, it's okay. It was, the setting on my camera was actually the wrong one. That's my bad. I was supposed to put it on the setting that allows you to capture moving objects easier. It makes the lens snap faster. But a little blurry never hurt nobody. Y'all know I'm on a swing. I know I'm on a swing.
It's organic.
It's organic.
Yeah, it's organic.
It's organic.
Show them this view.
Oh yeah, this view is absolutely beautiful. When you get off of the swing, you have the option to come and eat at this restaurant. And let me turn the brightness down so y'all can really see.
You can take it closer.
Yeah, if I go step down there.
Yeah. That's a beautiful view.
Y'all deserve a tour. Let's go. Plus there's like a little table down here. Ouch. So this is where we are. So this is what I got you guys. Vegetable soup. And Dad's food looks amazing.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, you guys. Father and I are walking. Let me show you. When you walk in Bali, it's really close. There's no sidewalk, and then there's like running water down here, so you have to kind of balance the cars that are coming this way, and then the cars that are coming behind us, the bikes and stuff that are coming behind us. We're going to Schmurger Burger. Hold on one second, Father. This way? No. Where? Is it right there?
It's right. Is it right here?
Yeah, the red dot.
Yeah.
Is it right, that yellow thing right there? Let's hope it's this thing right here. Let's just hope and pray.
Yeah.
It is? Okay, it is. My directions aren't terrible. Found it. Schmurger Burger. You guys.
Oh.
There's salt on it? Oh my gosh. Y'all, we've been eating food with like no salt, no sugar. So here's the vanilla shake. It tastes like a vanilla shake. The only thing is, do what?
Get a chocolate shake.
Oh, copycat. The only thing about their shakes is that they make them like a lot thinner in consistency than what we're used to. Other than that, this burger looks absolutely delicious, and so do these fries. I will say, their ketchup tastes different. Interesting. Hey guys, we're done packing, and we're actually early, which is weird. We're waiting for the host of our accommodation to come and meet us here. I guess there are some things that we need to know before we check out and head to the airport, and he was nice enough to call us a car. So yeah, this was a really good trip. I enjoyed myself. My birthday, the actual day, was it was interesting. It was long. It was definitely an adventure that I wore the wrong outfit for, but nevertheless, I am 26 now, which is crazy to say, but I'm like drifting off to sleep. So I'm actually going to take my makeup off and put on a much more comfortable outfit. I just have on this dress. I'm gonna put on a much more comfortable airport outfit and just get ready to embark on this 86-hour journey back home.
This was a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. You pushed your dad, but it was enjoyable. I had a great time, and I can see myself coming back to Bali.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good.
I like Indonesia.
Good. But yeah, when you're away from your home and your normal routine, it can kind of wear on you when you're like living out of a couple suitcases and a backpack and stuff.
Well,
so
the time change.
Oh yeah, that's what really got us. The time change, because right now it is bright and sunny outside. It's beautiful here. It's 3:45 p.m. on Tuesday, and back home it is 2:45 a.m. yeah, 2:45 a.m. So our bodies are naturally like, okay, well, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. If you're tired, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. And I'm just like, no, I have to stay up. Don't you see the sun? So I think it's just been like this constant battle between like my body telling me like, it's time for you to sleep. This is when you normally sleep, and like the daylight when it's pitch black dark at home. So I'm ready to get home, and I'm probably gonna sleep for like an entire day. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you?